The 2026 Subaru Forester is finally here, and it's sharper, smarter, and more capable than ever. Forget boring crossovers. This is real performance, loaded with next-gen safety tech, a bold redesign, and Subaru's legendary AWD. Today on Auto Ride Insights, we're diving into the SUV that just got way more serious. The Forester now features a more sculpted front grille, C-shaped LED headlights, and a stronger, more athletic stance. The lines are tighter, the fenders are beefier, and the design language brings it in line with the newer WRX and Outback. New front fascia with gloss black and chrome options. More aggressive fog lamp surrounds. Available 19-inch alloy wheels. Wilderness trim gets raised ground clearance and matte black cladding. It still looks like a Forester, but now it looks ready to climb a mountain and show off at Whole Foods on the same day. Inside, the 2026 Forester is quiet, refined, and tech-packed. A large 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen now anchors the dash. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. Didens, premium trims include a digital instrument cluster, Harman Kardon audio, and heated rear seats. Materials are upgraded across all trims, with contrast stitching, soft touch panels, and eco-friendly upholstery. There's also more rear legroom and cargo flexibility, keeping the Forester's reputation as a family-friendly adventure machine. No flashy turbo here, but Subaru knows its strengths. Powered by a 2.5-liter boxer engine, producing 180 HP. So, paired with Subaru's symmetrical AWD system and X mode for off-road control, improved chassis rigidity and revised suspension mean smoother handling and less body roll. Optional dual-function X mode with snow, dirt, and deep snow mud settings. Fuel economy sits around 28-33 mpg, depending on trim and terrain. The Forester isn't trying to be a speed demon. It's aiming for confidence, grip, and long-lasting reliability. Subaru's EyeSight driver assist system gets a major upgrade in 2026. Wider angle cameras, lane centering and adaptive cruise refined for smoother operation. Automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, and new rear pedestrian alert. Top trims even offer hands-free parking assist. This is one of the safest compact SUVs you can buy, and Subaru just made it smarter. There are 5 trims. Fetten, Base, great value with AWD and touchscreen tech. Defender, Premium, adds heated seats, fog lights, and a power driver seat. Sport, orange accents, sport-tuned suspension, and bold styling. Limited, leather, power tailgate, upgraded driver aids. Wilderness, rugged, raised, and ready for adventure. Starting price, around $29,000. Fully loaded Wilderness, near $39,000. The 2026 Subaru Forester doesn't try to be flashy, but that's what makes it great. It stays true to what Forester fans love. Real-world utility, smart tech, rugged performance, and legendary AWD grip. If you're looking for an SUV that's not just smart, but ready to live up to the hype, the Forester delivers, quietly and confidently. What do you think? Is the Forester still the king of real-world crossovers? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Auto Ride Insights for more expert reviews, bold comparisons, and real SUV content.